Alright, so I've just spun up a fresh V13 website using the clean starter kit, and by here I've got a test content node with the default rich text editor in it, and I've logged in as an editor that is restricted to a certain node. So let's go and try to add a link to this, and yep, we can see I can only choose the content that I have access to. So if I log out and log into my admin account, and yeah, we can see there's a lot more content on here. So let's go over to our doc type, content doc type. Yep, and we can see by here's our rich text, and it's currently using the default rich text data type. So if I click edit, we can see that ignore user start nodes option is missing in the editor settings for some reason. So let's get rid of the default rich text editor data type. I'm going to click change to change which one I'm using. And I'm going to click rich text, there it is. And then here you can see we already have the rich text editor, the default data type. So I'm going to click new, create new. And I'm just going to call it rich text editor RTE new. I always like starting with the types, then they're in order in the data types folder quite nicely. Yeah, just leave all those default, and yep, there we go. We can see ignore user start nodes has now appeared on the bottom. That's good. Gonna tick that, click submit, and save. And now if I just refresh this, I'll show you the data types folder. You can see if I open up data types and try to find rich text in here. There we go. So you can see here, rich text editor. This is the default one that's just there when you install Umbraco. That one is for some reason missing that ignore user start nodes option, but the new one that I created has that option now. Nice. So let's let me just go back to the content a minute, just so we can see that swapping the data type hasn't lost our content. Nope, the content's still there. Very good. If I log out and log in with our editor, hopefully when I go and try to add a link into this, I should have access to all the nodes. Yay, I do. There we go. Looks like it worked. Nice.